Hi guys, welcome back to another live session here on my channel. I already did this live like 2 days ago, but there was a lot of noise in the live, so I decided to delete that one and do another one, okay? And it was about this Vaseline Cocoa Glow Lotion. I talked a lot about this Vaseline Cocoa Glue Lotion in that live, but unfortunately, there's a lot of noise in the video. Like there's a construction going on in my neighbor's house, and it's been going on for days. Because of that, I don't have a video, and I have to show up for YouTube. Okay, I don't want to be sidelined by YouTube, so I have to do this live. Okay, so let's talk about this Vaseline Cocoa Glow Body Lotion. This one right here, you see this body lotion, it is very good. Like I used this body lotions months ago and I enjoyed using it so much, so I decided to come here today to tell you a few things about this body lotion again. Although I have already reviewed it, I've posted that video, it did well, okay, but there's a few things I did not say in that video and I want to say it in this live, okay. So this is Vaseline Cocoa Glow Body Lotion, and the title of this live is what? Dark skin body lotions. Dark skin body lotions, and this is one of the body lotions that is really good on dark skin tones. So why am I saying this? It has two main ingredients, which are pure cocoa and shea butter. Pure cocoa and shea butter. And if you know what pure cocoa and shea butter does on the skin, you'll be running to go and grab this body lotion if you have a dark skin. I'm not saying that if you have a fair skin, you cannot use this body lotion. You can use this body lotion if you have a fair skin, but if you have a dark skin and you are not interested in brightening your skin, you just want to maintain your complexion as it is, okay? You don't want to brighten your skin or anything of that sort, then this is the body lotion that you should go and grab because it is very nice on dark skin tones. Obviously you can see that I have a dark skin, okay. I use this body lotion and it did amazing on my skin. It gave me a nice glow, the glow that I never imagined my skin could have with this body lotion, and I enjoyed using it so much. Like my skin was glowing perfectly. It didn't give me any uneven skin tone, nothing of that sort. Like my skin was looking even, okay. If you have a dark skin, please, I would really advise that you don't lean forward towards lightening body lotions. Leave those for fair skin tones or for those who wants to lighten their complexion. But if you want to maintain your complexion, then a body lotion like this is good for your skin tone, okay. Like I said, it has cocoa butter and shea butter, and it does amazing on dark skin tones. It won't brighten your skin, it will just give your skin a nice glow. Trust me, you would enjoy using this body lotion so much. Shady K-pop fan said I used that one and it got me a rash. You use this one and it got you a rash. Is it the same one? Vaseline Cocoa Glow Body Lotion. Is it the same lotion you're talking about? Because I enjoyed using it so much. I didn't experience any rash with it. If you experienced a rash, it means maybe you are allergic to something in there. Your skin is allergic to something in there. And Shady says, yes, ma'am. Oh, okay. Okay. So that means you are allergic to something in this body lotion, and I imagine you stopped using it as soon as possible. But it did wonders on my skin. I would like to know if you have a sensitive skin. Shady K-pop fan says it smells really good, but it really affected me. So sorry to hear about that, because this body lotion is really good. Like I enjoyed using it so much. It is very good. Like I said, very good. And if you have a dark skin, I'm praising this body lotion for dark skin tones who do not want to brighten their skin. They just want to maintain their complexion. This body lotion will do amazing on your skin. But if you have a sensitive skin, you know, it has this, is it vanilla fragrance? That vanilla fragrance might be too much for your skin, okay, and you might react to this body lotion if you have a sensitive skin. So I would like to know if you have a sensitive skin. Shady K-pop fan. I would like to know if you have a sensitive skin. They have one with oats in it, but that one brightens the skin really, really well. So if you have a sensitive skin, you can use that one. Or they have this other one too, the white one, the Vaseline Intensive Care for Sensitive Skin. You can also try that one out, okay? But this one has a vanilla fragrance in it, and it might be too much for your sensitive skin. And Shady K-pop fan says, I don't really have a sensitive skin. Then the second reason why you might have had a rash on your skin is because maybe you got the fake, because there are a lot of fake products out there you get. So maybe you got the fake. And there are two types of this Vaseline Cocoa Glow. They have the Vaseline Cocoa Radiant as well. They have the Vaseline Cocoa Radiant as well, but this is the one I used on my dark skin, and it glowed my skin really, really well, and I enjoyed using it so, so much. I didn't experience any rash or any um I didn't experience any rash or any how do you say this, I didn't experience anything of that sort on my skin. Like, my skin was glowing beautifully. I didn't even need a body oil whilst using this body lotion because it is moisturizing as well. Although it is lightweight, it sinks into the skin perfectly well. Okay, it doesn't leave any greasy feel on the skin. Also, I did not sweat whilst using this body lotion. I am someone who really, really sweats a whole lot, and the weather is can be very, very hot in Africa. This body lotion alone kept my skin really, really moisturized and hydrated all day. Okay, and that's one of the many things that I enjoyed about this body lotion. Shady says a friend gave it to me, shaking my head. Maybe she gave a fake. Who knows, right? Who knows? Maybe she gave a fake. Cause I've heard there are fakes of this body lotion. A lot of fakes of Vaseline body lotions out there. Okay, so you have to be careful. You have to buy from trusted vendors or a very trustworthy person. If you buy it from just anybody or just any shop, you might have reactions on your skin. Okay, so this one, like I said, is very, very good. So which lotion are you using now? I would like to know which lotion you are using now, Shady K-pop fan. I really like your name. May I know where you are watching me from? Shady K-pop fan. I would want to know where you're watching me from, and also do give this live a like if you're enjoying it. Okay, if you enjoy watching me, do give it a like for me. And Leela Numeri says, can you recommend an affordable sunscreen that is big, from 150 ml, apart from my choice sunscreen, but big and affordable? Wow, that is going to be really, really difficult. Big and affordable aside my choice sunscreen. Well, I know Desar also has a sunscreen. Desar has a sunscreen, and I don't know if you would find Hetomugi sunscreen as affordable, but I know it is very, very big, but I wouldn't say it is affordable. Shady K-pop fan says I'm using E45. E45 is a very, very good body lotion, especially for sensitive skin types. It is a very, very good body lotion, especially for sensitive skin types. So maybe you have a sensitive skin, okay? Maybe you have a sensitive skin. And Shady K-pop fan says England. Wow, England. If you're watching me from England, then it is very, very difficult to get a fake in England. Don't you agree? Because in Africa, there are a lot of fakes of these Vaseline products out there, but in England, I highly, highly doubt. Lee Lan Mary says it is Disa not whitening. Disa sunscreen. I really don't know about that because I haven't really used Disa. The only sunscreens I've used is Dr. Rachel and my choice sunscreens. Those are the only affordable options that I have used. And Shady K-pop says, I'm sorry to hear that. You're sorry to hear that. Um, you're sorry to hear what? Can you be a little bit clear on that? So, I don't know. Have you tried the sunscreen before? I would like to know if you've tried the Disa sunscreen before because I haven't really tried it out before, but I want to get it right after my choice, the one I'm using. I complete the my choice. I want to get the sun next. So if it is whitening, please advise me. So I'll stop. We are here to advise each other, okay? So if you've used it and it's whitening, please advise me, because you know those vendors will not tell me. They won't tell me. So yeah, but I know of Hetomugi sunscreen. That sunscreen, I'm sure you've seen it. It is very big and it is affordable. I'll say it's affordable because it is big and it will last you a while. Okay, it will last you a while. Although it has this thick nature, it is really, really thick. Okay, so if you have an oily skin, I will not recommend that sunscreen to you. I would recommend that. They said the size whitening and Dr. Rachel don't have full spectrum. It is very true. Most of these affordable sunscreens, they don't have full spectrum. Okay, Dr. Rachel, Disa, My Choice, Estelin, those affordable ones. Lee, Mary, can I know where you are watching me from? May I know where you're watching me from? So my choice and those other ones that we buy for 60 cedis, I am in Ghana, so I would say 60 cedis, which is very, very cheap, okay? They don't have the full spectrum that you are looking for, right? But that is what I can afford for now. So that is what I am using. I don't have any complaints, although I know that I want to upgrade, okay? Because that is the goal here. That is the goal here. I really want to upgrade from that um other ones, Dr. Rachel, My Choice, and the Estelin. But if you can afford those high-end ones, please do, because they are the real G, okay? They are the real G. Shady K-pop says, what do you guys mean full spectrum? There are some sunscreens that, like the Dr. Rachel, they don't really give your skin full protection, okay? Most people even say Dr. Rachel, My Choice sunscreens, and the others are just moisturizers, facial moisturizers. They don't really give your face the full protection that it really needs, okay, to protect your face from all those harmful rays coming from the sun. And they've grouped those sunscreens, the Dr. Rachel, My Choice, and those cheap ones, and facial moisturizers. They term those ones as facial moisturizers, but I don't have any complaints. I've been using them. I have dark skin though, so if you have a fair skin and you have all those dark spots on your face, I would really recommend that you get a high-end sunscreen, because it will really, really help you. The Nivea Watery Sun Gel is a very great option as well. I know of a cousin who is using that sunscreen. If you see her face, it is always looking so smooth and so even. Okay, and she's fair in complexion. Okay, and Lilanu says, "Do you know Skin Doctor, the yellow part?" I've seen all of those ones. I've seen all of those ones in the market where I buy my cosmetics, okay? But I chose them My Choice because of how big it is, okay? And it has lasted me a while, okay? How is that possible? You guys are from Africa. Every sunscreen should have SPF 50. SPF 50 years. We are from Africa. There are sunscreens that are high end, okay, and sunscreens that are not very, very expensive. So if you can't afford those high end ones, we tend to lean forward to the ones that are cheap, okay? And those ones, most dermatologists are saying that they are not really, really good. I don't know. They are saying that sunscreens has to be expensive for it to be effective. I don't know how true that is, but that is what they are saying, okay? So me, if I can afford it, I will go for the high-end sunscreens. I would rather go for the high-end sunscreens because, like, I mean, that is what they are saying, right? But the My Choice one that I am using, that is also cheap. I have no complaints. I like it. I love using it. My face is looking okay for me. How should I apply my tea tree essential oil on my face? Um, I don't really have an idea of tea tree essential oils in general. I don't have an idea of essential oils in general, okay? But have you used a tea tree facial wash? That is what I've used before. Have you used a tea tree facial wash before? Have you used a tea tree facial wash before? That one is also very, very good. And I would like to know your skin type as well. I would like to know your skin type as well, because I know tea tree is really amazing on oily acne prone skin. Okay, so I would like to know your skin type as well. But what I can advise you is that once you are done with your facial wash, if you are using the tea tree facial wash, once you are done with that, then you just go ahead and use your moisturizer right after, using your lightweight moisturizer, or if you don't have any lightweight moisturizer, right after using your tea tree facial wash, just use your tea tree facial oil on your face. And I would recommend you use that at night, because I don't know how it the lights were out and it just came back. Hooray. That is Africa for you. And Lee Nanumeri says, but I have combination skin, but I tend to have acne. I tend to have acne. Okay, so do you exfoliate your skin? Do you exfoliate your skin? If you have combination skin, oily skin, you need to exfoliate your skin as often as possible to prevent all those acne from forming on your face. I changed from simple hydrating moisturizer to Dr. Rachel hyaluronic acid moisturizer. But if you don't have a dry skin, although hyaluronic acid is good on all skin types because it provides hydration for the skin, but if you don't have a dry skin, I would really recommend that you go for lightweight moisturizers. I don't know the consistency of the Dr. Rachel hyaluronic acid moisturizer unless you tell me, is it thick, is it lightweight? If it is not lightweight and you have acne, then you have to stop. Then I exfoliate using Beauty Formula Renewing Serum. That is a good exfoliant. I've used it before and it kept my face very, very smooth all the time. Okay, but now I'm using the Clean and Clear Salicylic Acid toner. That is what I'm using to exfoliate my skin. But that Beauty Formula Renewing Serum is also very, very good. I'd like to know how often you use it. Do you use it during the day or during the night? I'd like to know how often you use it, during the day or during the night. Okay, so right after using your Beauty Formula Renewing Serum, you use your Dr. Rachel Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer, right? I'd like to know if that is your routine. It's so funny how this video is about this Vaseline Cocoa Glow Body Lotion, but everything has turned to. So Lanu Mary says only at night. Only at night. Okay. That is a good routine. That is a good routine. Is your acne very serious or very mild? I would also like to know that. Is it serious or mild? And how long have you been using the renewing serum from Beauty Formula? Mild acne. Then the renewing serum is okay. Okay, it is okay on your skin, because I also have mild acne. It might not really be visible in the video, but I do have a little here and there. I don't know if you can see. There's some here and there are some here. Okay, but I'm okay because no skin is perfect. No skin is perfect, and you just started. Then you have to be consistent with it. Okay, you have to be consistent with it. It is going to work. If you have mild acne, I would advise that you don't use it every night. Don't use it every night. Okay, I would advise that you use it twice a week. Twice a week is enough. Okay, twice a week is enough. And during the day, what products do you use on your skin? What products do you use on your skin? Said I haven't even used it for 2 weeks. Then you have to be consistent and you need to be patient and you have to give it time. Okay, you have to give it time. I also use azelaic acid gel. Azelaic acid gel. Azelaic acid is also an exfoliant. Azelaic acid is also an exfoliant. And why do you use azelaic acid gel? Do you have any hyperpigmentation on your skin? I'd like to know if you have any hyperpigmentation on your skin. Because azelaic acid is mostly used for hyperpigmentation. Okay, so that is also very good. But you know that you cannot use your azelaic acid on the night that you are using your renewing serum from Beauty Formula, right? You do know that as well, right? So yeah, This live was about this Vaseline Cocoa Glow. I did a live video for it 2 days ago, but there was a lot of noise in my area, so I had to unlist that live and decided to come back and do it again. Because of that noise, I haven't really been able to record any video for YouTube. Okay, so I decided to come and talk to you about this Vaseline Cocoa Glow again. Ellie, you didn't know that you can't use your azelaic acid on the same night that you use your renewing serum. So yes, you can't use the same actives on the same night. They are both actives, okay? So you have to choose days in between that you're going to use your azelaic acid. Besides, azelaic acid is also an exfoliant. It is also an exfoliant that renews the skin, so if you have hyperpigmentation that you want to solve, then I would say you should pause on your renewing serum for now and use your azelaic acid, or you can use your renewing serum once a week and also use your azelaic acid twice a week. Okay, twice a week. That will also be really, really nice. So you can choose a Monday for your renewing serum, and then maybe a Thursday and a Saturday for your azelaic acid, okay? But make sure you are spacing the days in between as well to give your skin time to breathe, okay? Don't pile up too many active products in one routine. That will not help your skin at all, okay? So now you know. Now you know. May I also know your body products, what you use on your body and all that? Have you tried this Vaseline Cocoa Glow Lotion before? Are you dark skin? Do you have a dark skin? Do you have a dark skin? Because this Vaseline Cocoa Glow is very, very nice. Mary says thanks so much. You're welcome. You're really, really welcome. Are you subscribed to my channel? I am not dark skinned. Okay, you are not dark skinned. But fair skin tones can also use this Vaseline Cocoa Glow if your fair skin is natural, and I know your skin is natural, so you can still use this Vaseline Cocoa Glow. It is very moisturizing. If you have a dry skin, it is just a moisturizing lotion that will help to maintain your complexion. Okay, you tried it and it was drying. This same one? Wow. So am I the only one who enjoyed using this body lotion? Because it did amazing on my skin. I have a dry skin, but anytime I used it, I never used the body oil whilst using this body oil, and my skin was okay. It was okay. You tried it and it was drying. So what body lotion are you using for now? What body lotion are you using for now? Most of these brands too, they'll be writing for dry skin, 48-hour moisture. You will try it and it is so drying, like it is very, very drying. But this is one of the lotions that I have tried without a body oil, and I loved it so, so much. Like, it's good. You see that their white one, the Vaseline Intensive Care for Sensitive Skin. That one was very drying on my skin. Although it wrote from dry to very, very dry skin, it was too drying on my skin, and I always used a body oil with that body lotion. Okay, so if you're watching my live, this body lotion is for dry skin types. This body lotion is for dry skin types. If you have a dry skin and you want to keep your skin moisturized all the time, you are not interested in any brightening body lotions, this is the lotion that you should go for. Although every skin tone can use it, okay? Every skin tone can use this Vaseline Cocoa Glow body lotion. If you have a fair skin, a caramel skin, and your skin is natural, you've not altered your skin, it is natural, this body lotion will be good on your fair caramel skin tones as well, because it is just a moisturizing lotion that you can use to moisturize your skin if you have a dry skin. Okay, but if you are using a lightening body lotion as well, if you are using a lightening body lotion and you want a lotion that you can use along with your lightening body lotion, you want a lotion that you can use along with your lightening body lotion, you can also use this lotion along with your lightening body lotions. Don't be using your lightening body lotions all the time, morning and evening. It is not advisable. It is not advisable, okay? So only use your lightening lotions at night, and look for a very moisturizing body lotion that you can use during the day. Give your skin time to breathe, okay? And this body lotion is very, very good. It's a very, very good mild gentle moisturizer that you can use on your skin, just to moisturize your skin, keep your skin moisturized and hydrated all day, okay? So this is Vaseline Cocoa Glow Body Lotion, and I came here to tell you about it, but it quickly turned from telling you about this body lotion to skincare on the face. So if you have any question about your skin, any skin related issues, you can ask me, and I'll answer that for you, okay? And I'll answer that for you. So this is Vaseline Cocoa Glow. Like I said, Vaseline has so many amazing products. They have so many amazing lotions that you can choose from. So many amazing simple moisturizers that you can choose from. Nivea also has simple moisturizing lotions that you can choose from. But I enjoyed using this one so much. So much. Okay. I went on live to tell you about the pink one, the rejuvenation for mature skin. That lotion is also very, very nice. You can go and watch that live right after watching this one, or right after I end this live, you can go and watch that one. That lotion is also very good. It moisturizes the skin. It has lipids, it has fatty acids in there that are really, really good for dry aging skin. But this one is also a very, very nice moisturizer that does amazing on the skin. So if you are using this body lotion and it's drying out your skin, then you can add a body oil. You can add a body oil to this body lotion if it dries out your skin quickly. That means you have a very, 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 very dry skin. If you use this lotion and it's drying out your skin, it means you have a very, very, very dry skin. I have a dry skin, but it is not very, very dry. Although I cannot go a day without moisturizing my skin, I make sure I moisturize my skin both morning and night because I have a dry skin. Okay, so if you also have a dry skin, you have to make sure that you're always moisturizing your skin. Moisturize your skin both morning and evening. Keep your skin moisturized all the time so that your skin barrier will not suffer. If you have a dry skin and you're always leaving your skin like that, you're not moisturizing your skin, you are doing your skin a lot of harm. Okay, you are doing your skin a lot of harm. So make sure you look for a very, very good moisturizer and moisturize your skin both morning and in the night, especially if you have a dry skin. Don't be like, because you sweat, because I sweat, my skin sweats a lot, I don't like using a body lotion. Even if you have an oily skin from neck down, you still need a body lotion. Even if you have an oily skin from neck down, you still need a body lotion because hydration is key in every body care routine. You should have a body care routine. Body lotions are really, really essential in body care routines. So make sure you look for a body lotion that will suit your skin type. It doesn't matter if you have a dry skin, an oily skin, a normal skin, you should still moisturize your skin. Don't leave your skin a day without moisturizing it because you are going to age faster, your wrinkles are going to be visible and all that. Okay, so make sure you look for a very, very good moisturizer that you can use on your skin to keep your skin barrier protected, to keep your skin barrier moist and hydrated all the time. Okay, so that is why I came on live to tell you today, and I really, really enjoyed this session because of the questions that were flowing. Okay, so if you have any questions about your skin, you can also ask me. If I have the answer, I will give you. I'll give you. Okay, I'll give you my answer. If you have any questions about your skin, you have any skin related issues, you can ask me. And if I know the answer, I will tell you. But if I don't, I can also recommend other things to you. Okay, I can also recommend other things to you. All right. So, Mary, if you are still here, you need to use your beauty formula renewing serum and your azelaic acid um, very, very wisely, else you're going to destroy your skin barrier. Your skin is going to become really, really sensitive. If you use both actives on the same night, your skin is going to be very, very sensitive. Okay, so make sure you are choosing different days of the week to use your actives. Different days of the week to use your actives. Okay, but you see this body lotion, wow, you see this body lotion, wow, it is very, very good, very, very good. A 10 out of 10 experience. I loved using it so, so much. Okay, and that is what I came here to tell you today. If you are still watching my live, you can do give me a like before you leave. Okay, ask me any questions you want about your skin or about this body lotion, and I would answer that for you. Okay, so I had Shady on here today. I had Mary here today. Thank you so much for watching me. I appreciate you a whole lot. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. If you are interested in skincare, taking care of your skin and all of that jazz, subscribe to my channel so that anytime I post a new video, you would be here to watch it. Okay, also leave your notification bells on so that you can be notified and quickly come down here to watch my videos. If you're watching as well, do give me a like. Okay, thank you so much for being good students. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you in the next live. Okay, bye.